I'm sure you've heard the news. Calling your voicemail on your Google Pixel is a breeze. Here's how. Method 1. Using the phone app's dial pad. First, open the phone app. Tap the dial pad icon at the bottom, then touch and hold the number 1. Your phone will automatically dial your voicemail service. If prompted, enter your voicemail password. Follow the voice prompts to listen to messages and manage your greetings. Method 2. Through the voicemail tab, open the phone app and look for the voicemail tab at the bottom. Tap it, and you'll see a list of your messages. Tap on a message to play it. Visual Voicemail can transcribe, play in any order, and manage messages easily. Method 3. Checking voicemail from a notification. When you get a new voicemail notification, swipe down from the top of your screen. Tap the voicemail notification to go directly to your Visual Voicemail inbox or call your voicemail service. Remember, voicemail features can vary by carrier. If you need help, contact your mobile service provider.